You know, I saw that video recently talking about the sound of a real truck. Nigga, do you know what the fuck a real truck is? Let me show this shit to you, bro. Yeah. This is what the inside of a real motherfucking truck looks like. That is the custom fucking dash. Stepped up stereo fucking system. Dope ass shit. Bitches in the truck. Most modern technology. AC system. Yeah, you just gotta go like this. Oh man, that's about the right fucking AC speed and temperature. All right. Now, I'm not even gonna let you hear it yet. You just gotta build it up in anticipation. Let me show you what sound looks like. First, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. This sound. Bang! Look at the custom fucking paint job. Rims. Ha! God damn, look. Toolbox is customized, bro. Got hood ornaments like Mercedes and shit. Custom lights. What? Oh, dude. Do you see all these upgrades? It ain't a real fucking truck. This you got customized mirrors and shit, bro. You see that? See that? That's how we do things. Yeah. This, they thought they'd burn it alive. Took the back window out. But we're still kicking it. The gas, that's my fuel gauge. That's where the fuck you put these things right here to let the cops know you smell good. That's an ass on a truck right there. Do you see that motherfucking truck's ass end, bro? That truck got an ass, dog. God damn. Shit. Now let me step you back in this motherfucker before shit gets real. Now, and if it gets real, motherfucking real samurai swords, bro. You ain't goddamn machetes. Man. You didn't know. This is what the fuck noise true truck sound looks like. Now, let's get back into it. This is the motherfucking secret way that you start a real custom truck. You gotta stick that one thing inside where it goes. That's what they taught us growing up. Then come over here. Once you stick the dick in the pussy, come over here and play with the nipples. Now you hear that subtle little woo. I know you hear that little wooing noise. Oh wait for it, baby. Just wait for it. Now that's what the fuck a truck sounds like.